So, good afternoon, everyone. So the task which was given to me was to make a multi-agent, which can basically take the input as a text, image, PDF, audio, or the code, and we need to the agent should ask what are your intents. So and accordingly we need to transcribe it, extract the text format, understand it, and summarize it. So this is my file structure. Basically in backend we have app.py, which is basically responsible for the fast API. We have fast APIs here, and after that in agents we can see we have the intent classifier. So what happens in intent classifier, basically if we give an image, so the bot asks us the question that what is your intent, what do you want to do with this image. So we need to write it, we need to summarize it or analyze it or whatever things we need to do. If we give the audio, then it will ask whether what do you want to do. So we will say it, extract it. So that is the work for intent classifier. And then after that, if you will see extractors, basically extractors here we have four extractors, that is for audio, image, PDF, and YouTube. So in audio extractor we have used Whisper, which is an open source model which converts the audio to the text format. And in the image classifier we have used Tesseract and the um, Tesseract OCR, which converts the image in using OCR and turns it into the text. Similarly, it happens for PDF also, and for YouTube, we have used the Whisper as well as yt-dlp. So these both are responsible for transcribing. In YouTube, what happens basically, it downloads the audio temporarily and then it converts it into the text format. And then in the task we have different tasks like code explainer. What if we give the code, then it will explain what is the error or what are the things which we have done in the code. Question answering is basically question answer handler is basically used to handle our queries which we ask. And then we have sentimental analysis and summarizer for summarizing the whether it is PDF or whether it is an image, likewise. So in front end we have the index.html, we have used HTML. And yes, okay, so now we will be running the code and we will see how our UI is, and we will try different things. We will go in backend folder, and then we will write this unicorn for basically connecting and running our fast API servers. Now let me drag and drop the index file. Yes, completed. Yes, so this is our UI where we can give the text for extracting text from the PDF and different things. So we will take the text first of all and we will give it to the bot. So once we give the text, it will ask us the follow-up question. What do you want to do? Whether you want it sentimental analysis, summarize, or do you want to extract the text format? So we will just write summarize it. So after writing summarize it, it will give us the summary of it. Basically in one line, bullet points, and in detail, which was mentioned in our assignment. Okay. So next we will try it with the code. So in code, we were given that we need to give a piece of code and it should predict if the code is correct or not. It need to determine, and it should explain what this code is about. So yeah, the Python code, time complexity is also given, space complexity is also given, and the code is for factorial, and the bug is incorrect implementation of factorial. Yeah, that's correct. So now we will move on with sentimental analysis. So this is a piece of positive code. Now let's see if it identifies the sentiments correctly or not. So yeah, it gave the correct. It is positive, 100% confidence. Confidence score is also given, and it gives you justification how it is positive. So now let's start with one of the negative reviews. Sentiment of it. Yeah. Okay. Will you give the sentiment of it or analyze if it is positive or negative likewise? Yeah. So now we got negative sentiments, 100% confidence, and it shows this is things. Okay, that's correct. So we are done with the uh, text summarization and then code and then with the sentiments. Yeah, these three things are done. Now we will try with one PDF file, which will be my resume. So once we send the resume, it will extract the text. So yeah, it successfully extracted the text. My Jesh Mahajan AIML branch and my professional ceremony education and everything was correctly displayed. Then we will try it with the audio file. We will give transcribe this audio file. Yeah. So in the audio file, I said, "Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. This is testing file 1, 2, 3." So that thing also we got it correctly and it transcribed it in very correct manner. Yes. So now we will try it one image. So we will tell it to extract the text from this image. Yes. So we will have few minutes. This thing, yeah, the text is also extracted successfully. And so we are done with our um, presentation part. So what I have done here is basically made a multi-agent, which takes the text and summarizes it, finds the intent of it, and then if we give it the image, it will tell us what is there in this image. It will give the summary of it, and it will give the content of it also. And if you give the YouTube script, it will YouTube link or YouTube script using the yt-dlp on Whisper. It will convert it into the audio and then it will download it and then it will translate us and give it to us. So YouTube one is also done. Then we can summarize it. We can analyze the sentimental. We gave the two positive and negative reviews, so it gave the answer for that also. And then we gave the code piece of code, which was also showing the fine result that yeah, this is the complexity, this is space complexity, time complexity, the language, and what we were trying to do and what were the issues likewise. So yes, and it also asked the follow-up question to us that what do you want to do with this thing. So initially I gave it the uh, this text for sentiments, then it gave the cross question, what do you want to do. So intent, it is also asking us for the intent, and all the output, the final answer, we are getting it into the text format. Yes, thank you.